Maytag Neptune Dryer Troubleshooting, Ultimate Fix-It Guide. Maytag Neptune Dryer Troubleshooting involves checking common issues like power supply, thermal fuse, and drum belt. Ensure all connections are secure. Maytag Neptune dryers are known for their reliability, but like any appliance, they can develop problems over time. Users often encounter issues such as the dryer not starting, not heating, or making unusual noises. These problems can usually be traced back to a few common causes. Checking the power supply, ensuring the thermal fuse is intact, and inspecting the drum belt are primary steps in troubleshooting. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the lifespan of your dryer. Understanding how to troubleshoot can save time and money, ensuring your appliance runs efficiently. Maytag Neptune Dryer Common Issues. Maytag Neptune Dryer owners often face various problems. Understanding these common issues can help you troubleshoot and fix your dryer. 1. No heat. 2. Excessive noise. 3. Won't start. 4. Clothes not drying. Maytag Neptune Dryer Initial Checks. Having trouble with your Maytag Neptune Dryer? Start with some initial checks. These simple steps can resolve most issues quickly. Let's dive into the basics. 1. Power supply. 2. Circuit breaker. 3. Door switch. Maytag Neptune Dryer diagnosing no heat. Your Maytag Neptune Dryer is running, but the clothes are still wet. The problem could be that the dryer is not heating up. Diagnosing the issue involves checking several key components. Below, we will cover the main parts to inspect: heating element, thermostat, and thermal fuse. 1. Heating element. 2. Thermostat. 3. Maytag Neptune Dryer fixing excessive noise. Is your Maytag Neptune Dryer making too much noise? There are a few parts you should check. Let's dive into the common culprits and see how to fix them. 1. Drum rollers. 2. Idler pulley. 3. Blower wheel. Maytag Neptune Dryer resolving start issues. Having trouble starting your Maytag Neptune Dryer can be frustrating. This guide will help you resolve start issues with your dryer. Let's look at common parts that might cause start problems. 1. Start switch. 2. Motor. 3. Control board. Maytag Neptune Dryer, improving drying performance. Improving the performance of your Maytag Neptune Dryer is crucial. A few simple steps can make your dryer work better. This section will guide you to improve drying performance effectively. We will focus on 3 key areas: the lint filter, the ventilation system, and the moisture sensor. 1. Lint filter. 2. Ventilation system. 3. Moisture sensor. Maytag Neptune Dryer maintenance tips. Keeping your Maytag Neptune Dryer in top condition is crucial. Regular maintenance ensures it runs efficiently. This section covers key maintenance tips. Regular cleaning. 2. Component inspection. 3. Professional servicing. Maytag Neptune Dryer. When to seek professional help. Troubleshooting a Maytag Neptune Dryer can be tricky. Sometimes professional help is needed. Below are situations that call for an expert's touch. 1. Complex repairs. 2. Warranty considerations. 3. Safety concerns. Frequently asked questions about Maytag Neptune Dryer. Why won't my Maytag Neptune Dryer start? Check the power source and door latch. Ensure the control settings are correct and the start button is working. How to fix a noisy Maytag Neptune Dryer? Inspect the drum rollers, belt, and idler pulley. Replace any worn out parts to reduce noise. Why is my Maytag Neptune Dryer not heating? Check the thermal fuse, heating element, and thermostats. Replace any faulty components to restore heating. What causes a Maytag Neptune Dryer to stop mid-cycle? A faulty door switch, thermal fuse, or control board can cause this. Inspect and replace defective parts. How to clean the lint filter on a Maytag Neptune Dryer? Remove the lint filter. Use a brush to clean thoroughly. Ensure it's completely free of lint before reinserting. Conclusion about Maytag Neptune Dryer. Mastering Maytag Neptune Dryer troubleshooting can save time and money. Follow these tips to solve common issues. Regular maintenance ensures your dryer runs smoothly. Don't forget to check the manual for specific guidance. For persistent problems, consult a professional. Keep your dryer in top condition for efficient performance.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.